everyone, this is Sam, Create the Part with Create the Heart. Today I'm here to share more Meet Me in Wonderland projects. So if you're interested in any of these products, it usually comes in a subscription box. So the subscription box is from the Not Too Shabby shop. You get, usually it's 3 stamp sets. It's 2 if it's a large stamp set. 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera. And it's a great deal because you also get first crack at some really special products. And so this particular one had 2 Meet Me themes. One is Meet Me in Wonderland and one is Meet Me, I think, at the movies. I think maybe at the theater. I can't remember which one. And then each one has paper pad that matches as well as ephemera. And so I'm working with Meet Me in Wonderland for a lot of my sort of projects. As well as the 2 paper pads of the month, which is Glow and Winged Beauties. I'm going to do a ton of projects this month, but I've also done projects with the Glow paper pad with the Meet Me in Wonderland. So it's very versatile paper pad. But today what we're going to make is a very, like a journal. So this journal, I bought a pack, I think 20 of these journals, and I had made a journal using from Lyric Lover. She had shared how she bought these vintage banners and made journals, and so I had bought a whole pack of journals, but I didn't need 20 journals. I needed like 10 for my project for Christmas gifts, and so I do have like journals left. So I thought this would be a fun project to make. So I am going to, so let's see, am I going to do, I'm doing this side and this side. So because this paper is 6 by 6, and I believe that this is 5.5 by 8.5, then I'm going to have to use 2 pieces of paper because it's, 6 inches is not going to cut it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So what I did was I made the top piece, I think 6 inches, and then I made this piece a little bit less than 5. I think it's like 5 1/4, 5 3/8. And then this one is, I believe I did 3.5 inches on the bottom. So, but there's going to be this little gappy piece, which we're going to actually cover up. So let's go ahead and attach this. So, I mean, this is what you can do when you have that, is you can do what I'm going to do, which is do like a little piece there to kind of connect the 2 pieces. I've seen other people like join things and leave the middle kind of be problematic, and then they will put a large image there. So there's a lot of ways that you can do that so that you can use your 6 by 6 paper and still do larger projects. So here's that. And then I'll go ahead and attach this piece. And I think this would be just a super cute gift. Or if you're going to go to Disneyland, it'd be a great little thing to put journaling and pictures. And then this little piece is actually from the Meet Me at the Movies, the other paper pad that comes in the subscription box. It has this really great, like, sort of red stripey piece that I've actually used for a couple of my Wonderland projects because it goes really well with it, actually. And so there is that. And then we have so we have these pieces, and just trying to figure out how I want them all to go. So I think it's going to go something like this is what I think is going to happen. So I've got, I'm just going to touch this piece like, actually, I think I'm going to save this for the pocket. I think I'm going to do that. So I think I'm going to do this instead. That's what I'm going to do. So this, I think I'm going to save that for the pocket. Hopefully it'll fit. I think it will. So yeah, I'm going to do a pocket on the inside. And then the ephemera comes with this really large dress. And I think it's just adorable. And so I think it's really great if you've got a big project like this one that you can put it on. So we'll do it like that. And then I want like this or like this. It's like decisions. I think I'm going to do it up here. And so I just stamp this and I put it on some scrap paper and cut it out. And so there we go. There's the front. Now for the inside cover, I have my pockets right here. It's just going to fit right here. So the pocket, I just measured it out. I think it's 5 1/4 by 3 or something like that. You know, whatever size suits your space of your journal. It's going to vary. And I just do 1A score tape for this one. And so now you've got this like really nice. And so I can do it here. And I could do it here. I think I'm going to do it right there. Just using up scrap this way. So there we go. And then that's just a piece of scrap that I don't need. And then I've got this piece right here, which I am going to put right here. So now we have this pocket, right? And our cute little journals. So lots of different ways that you can utilize your scrappy goodness. And so I think this is really, really fun. And I don't know if I'm going to give it away. I think it's too cute. I think I might try and use it for myself. So this one's a blank journal. So really easy for, you know, for putting pictures in as well. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Play with the Heart.